Today let us do speaking practice on the topic of homework in class. Let's start.
Hello David. Have you completed your homework?
Good morning, teacher. Completed most of it. But I got stuck on a few problems.
Which problems were difficult for you?
The math problems on page 34. I couldn't figure out the last 3 questions.
Let's take a look at them together. Do you have your notebook with you?
Yes, teacher. Here it is. I tried to solve it using the formula you taught us. But I think I made a mistake somewhere.
Alright. Let's start with the first problem. Can you show me what you have done so far? I see where you went wrong. You missed a step in the calculation. Let me explain it to you again.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you for explaining it, teacher.
You are welcome. Try to solve the next one on your own. And if you still have any doubts, come to me.
I will, teacher. Thank you so much for your help.
No problem, Daiwik. If you ever get stuck, you can always ask. That's how you learn and improve.
Yes, teacher. I will work on these problems again and make sure to complete my homework.
Daiwik. Make sure to submit it by tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.